a notable blockchain researcher has pushed back on recent criticisms of the Ethereum Foundation, arguing the organization is performing exactly what it was designed to do. William Magyar, a Toronto-based investor and researcher, recently published a post on X titled "Leave the Foundation Alone," where he outlined the distinct roles of Ethereum, the Ethereum Foundation, and the ETH token. Magyar emphasizes that the Ethereum Foundation is a nonprofit steward, not a marketing or price support entity. He argues that conflating these roles leads to inaccurate predictions and misplaced expectations about the future of ETH. In recent weeks, the Ethereum Foundation has completed a third OTC ETH sale to BitMine, moving 10,000 ETH at an average price of about $2,292, totaling roughly $22.9 million. This brings the total value of BitMine dealings to approximately $47 million. These sales were accompanied by unstaking activity, with 17,035 ETH unlocked, about $40 million, and an additional 21,270 ETH unstaked from Lido in the same period. ETH was trading around $2,117 at the time of reporting, up about 4.7% on the day, but still over 57% below its all-time high of $4,953. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Reached in August 2025, Magyar frames the Ethereum Foundation's role as protocol stewardship and research funding, not marketing or price support for ETH. He compares critics' demands for the foundation to promote ETH or court institutions to asking the Internet Engineering Task Force to run ads for TCP/IP. This distinction is important because the Ethereum Foundation's mandate is to guide the protocol toward a future where it becomes less central to the ecosystem. The Ethereum Foundation has been actively involved in hardening the protocol, supporting research, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of the Ethereum network. The recent OTC sales and unstaking activity suggest a shift in the Foundation's ETH holdings and may signal a broader trend in how institutional players are engaging with Ethereum. The sale to BitMine and the unstaking activity could indicate a strategic move to reduce the Foundation's ETH balance while maintaining protocol security and research capabilities. However, the Ethereum Foundation's actions are not directly tied to ETH's price movements, which remain subject to market forces and broader crypto trends. The Ethereum Foundation's role in protocol governance and research is distinct from the financial dynamics of ETH as an asset. While the Foundation's actions may influence market sentiment, they are not designed to support or manipulate the price of ETH. This distinction is important for understanding the Ethereum ecosystem structure and how different actors contribute to its development. The Ethereum Foundation's recent activities, including OTC sales and unstaking, suggest a more hands-off approach as the protocol matures. This could align with Magyar's argument that the Foundation's role is to step back and let the protocol evolve independently. The next signal to watch is whether the Ethereum. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Foundation will continue its OTC sales, or if the unstaking activity will stabilize or increase further. The Foundation's future actions could provide insight into its long-term strategy and the direction of the Ethereum protocol. The Ethereum Foundation's mandate is clear: stewardship, research, and protocol development. Whether the market interprets these actions as positive or negative remains to be seen, but the Foundation's role is not to control ETH's price or market perception. As the Ethereum ecosystem continues to evolve, the Foundation's actions will likely remain a focal point for critics and supporters alike.